Part 5. In this video, we will go over how to monitor your data and the health of your network. To start with, connect to your DCAP using the CIT tool. By default, 12 hours of monitored data is downloaded when you first connect to the DCAP. To download a longer period worth of data, click on the down arrow icon and then choose the desired time period. Once the data is downloaded, navigate to the Monitor Data tab. There are 3 different view tabs, each showing a different set of data. To customize the columns in any view tab, right-click on the header row, choose the Set Custom View and select the columns you wish to display in that particular view tab. Click on the Use Settings button to apply your changes. You can also choose from various pre-configured settings such as Daily Report, Network Data, or Sensor Data. In the Daily Report custom view,
the column with the title Sensor Reading gives the actual meter reading, while the Sensor Consumption column gives the total consumption over the range of time which the data was downloaded.
Within a view grid, you can sort the data by clicking on the column header you wish to sort the data by. You can bring up a graph of specific measurement over time by simply clicking on the cell containing the data. For example, we can look at the meter reading over time for each MDT. Within the graph, we can get the details for a data point by hovering the mouse over it. When viewing a pulse count graph, you can choose to view the graph as a line showing the accumulated usage over time. You can also change the view to a bar graph and display the hourly or daily usage. Right-clicking on the graph will give you access to the graph menu. You can zoom in and out and set scale to defaults to show all the data that is available. You can also save and export the graph. To view and troubleshoot the health of your network, set one of your views in the Network Data mode. Here, you can view the link partner, RSSI, and the link quality for each MDT. One of the most useful types of data for evaluating how well a device is communicating with the DCAP is called link quality. The link quality is on a 1 to 100 scale. A well-behaving unit will have a stable link partner and RSSI and a link quality greater than 50. If the link quality falls below 25, a repeater is most likely needed. Clicking on the link partner of an MDT will graph the 3 RF data types for this particular MDT: link partner, RSSI, and link quality. Note that you can download a longer period of time data for a specific MDT by right-clicking on its row and selecting Get Node Monitor Data. Also, you can easily generate a custom report from the Monitor Data grid. To do so, set up a view with the desired columns by using the Set Custom Column View function. Right-click in the grid and select Generate Report. Use the default name and location or specify your own and hit Save. While working with a large network, it might be useful to narrow down a set of devices you are displaying in the grid.
An easy way to do this is to use the text filtering box. It lets you select devices which only obey specific criteria. For example, you could wish to display MDTs that only exist in a specified building, in this instance called Rack E. Note that when you are using a filter, asterisks will appear in the tab names to visually remind you that you are viewing data in a filtered mode. Remember to click on the X icon when you are finished to return to a normal mode. You can also use the grid filtering feature if you are using multiple criteria.
To do so, navigate to the Grid Filtering tab below the main window.
Here you can choose to display only specific devices such as MDTs or repeaters, devices reporting specific alerts, devices in a specific building, or devices with a specific status icon.
After selecting the desired combination of criteria, click on Turn on Filtering to apply the filtering to the data in the main grid. You can choose to reflect the grid filtering in the network tree. To do so, check the Follow Grid Filtering checkbox in the network tree filterings.
Remember to click Turn off Filtering to remove the filtering when you're finished.
This concludes our series of videos on how to configure your new Tehama wireless submetering system. If you have any further questions, please feel free to reach out to us at the information here. Thank you and have a wonderful day.